Hiya folks, so along with the DJI Fly app update we received today, putting us on version 1.6.8, they have also released a substantial firmware update for the Mini 3 Pro itself. Now I'm going to just pop the update notes on the screen for you. Yes, many of the update notes here match those that came with the Fly app update, but that's because you need to actually update the firmware on the drone in order to use these new features. But there is quite a lot here. This is definitely a major update for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. But in particular, I want you to note the second update note, optimize the anti-interference ability and the transmission distance of the image transmission system. This is not something that's part of 1.6.8. This is something that is unique for the Mini 3 Pro itself, and it definitely has my interest piqued. As some of you will know that have been following me, I have been suffering from various transmission issues when flying the DJI Mini 3 Pro. And I know I'm not the only one, because many of you folks have also been telling me how you have been having the same or very similar issues to those that I have been having. Now, this sounds like it is a fix for those issues, because these issues that we have been facing seem to resolve around interference, and in particular with the various Wi-Fi bands and how they interact with one another in terms of the OcuSync. Now, unfortunately, it is absolutely peeing it down outside, so I'm not able to test this, and it's going to be raining again tomorrow. Typical. But if any of you guys have been able to fly on this latest firmware update and you were having similar problems to me before the update, have these issues now been corrected for you? I'm very much looking forward to getting out to flying myself and putting this to the test. Now, along with that, which is hopefully a substantial improvement, there have been a number of updates which involve version 1.6.8 as well for the Mini 3 Pro, including greater stability with the video recording when using various features such as hyperlapse. Now, I will be covering all of this stuff in the coming days, but I did just really want to bring this to your attention. But that anti-interference fix is something that I definitely want to be testing out. So yeah, hopefully, you know, DJI are on the right track here. This is a big update, as I say. We've got the Fly app update as well at the same time. And hopefully they are going to be moving things here in the right direction, because a lot of us have been having issues. Now, I know not all of you have been, okay? I get that. And I'm happy for those of you that have been able to fly without any transmission problems. I truly am, but this is still a big problem for many of us. You know, hopefully we're getting to the bottom of things here, and DJI are pushing out the fixes that are needed to get everything back up to where it should be in terms of the stability of the flights and transmission. Then please let us know in the comments what your experience of it has been, and has it helped with the various interference issues that many have been facing with this drone. But thank you so much for watching this quick update. I hope it's been helpful to you, and do come back again soon, where I will be testing out these new features along with a couple of other videos that I've got planned for the Mini 3 Pro over the coming days and weeks. So take care everybody, and I'll see you next time.